What up, YouTube? Today's Monday morning. It's around 10 a.m. and we're going to hit upper body today. So first I'm going to start off with a warm-up set on flies, just to make sure the seat and everything's in the right spot. Get a nice stretch. So one thing I want to talk about is I've noticed actually better development in my chest from these cable flies than a bench. So this might be something I start to put a little bit more effort into based on what I'm seeing. Still going to do, a press, but these flies, I'm seeing a lot of growth. And maybe it's just because it's an area I haven't really tried to necessarily master. All right, so we're going to move up to 100 pounds. Here we go. Hey, Mike. Stretch yet? See 7. And then we're going to superset this immediately into a pressing movement. What a beautiful leg. This actually might be too light if I did 10. We're going to try the 220. We'll do a little rest pause and then jump right into it. Here we go. Oh, feeling strong today. Oh yeah. You may have gone there. Good pump. All right, so chest is done. Next, we're gonna do a row. Normally I was doing palm up, pull down, but I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna start doing some close grip rows. Still hitting back, just a different exercise for it. And we're gonna try 200 pounds. We'll see how it feels.
That place has been around so long too. It's amazing.
Whew.
That shows that it's still good quality, you know? Oh yeah. Did that have salad with it? Or? Outstanding salad.
Here we go. See how it feels.
That makes me want to drive up here to eat. Yeah, I'm listening.
Whew. So the grip on that's not that great. Whew. So we're definitely going to do a drop set. I'm thinking
What
we'll
time did y'all go? Was it like
do
a Friday
100
night or
and
something?
really focus on the squeeze at this point.
That was probably a good choice to do on the phone.
But that's a little early, but it would feel like a lot of people.
Oh yeah.
We would for the patio, we they Saturday and patio. But it pulled it up, but that's only waiting for pulled it up.
On a Thursday night, yeah.
On Thursday night.
I believe it.
But one thing I would even though I'm not the service, the best service, stop state. He died,
Oh,
I'll never let it down.
feels good. So I started these rope extensions for triceps, and they're not that bad, actually. All right. Let's see how it feels. So I immediately jump into a drop set. So we went on 110. Now we're doing 90. Drop set one more time. I'm gonna go down to 50 so I can really squeeze and isolate. So basically what we did was pre-exhaust it. Oh yeah.
You are eating this stuff. Good.
Ooh. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do a preacher curl with 60. Now on these, I intentionally do not go all the way down. So it'll look like this. Boom, go up. All right, 6. Oh. All right. Let's do a little posing. All right, I like this part of the gym. The lighting's a little bit better. All right. Well, workout complete. Alrighty. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how your split's going. Are you cutting for the summer? Let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.